May mas maliit ba na round paper? So, this is how you store it. Kung may mas maliit na papel, the better. Kasi pag nakahanginan yung wafer mo, lumalambot yan. Diba? Sa klase natin yung sa Silvana's class. So, of course, same thing. Even if the disc is big, ganun din ang concept nun. Lalamig din talaga siya. At lalambot. So, get ka ng kaldero, has to be sealed para hindi siya mahanginan. So we will assemble now our SANSRIVAL. So this is our stored wafer or the round disc. So let's take out one. This is vanilla buttercream that we have made kanina. This is freshly made na. So I just use to press it to hold. This is a 10-inch cake board. You can use the piping bag. Do that. So, it moves. Wala akong ano. Matigas pa kasi ang buttercream ko kasi I put it in my medyo hindi siya ganun karami or ka-soft. Not runny, but soft. So, stable buttercream, which is included in our Silvana's class. So, lahat ng gagawin ko today is included in our Silvana's class. So, iba nga lang ang itsura niya. So, if you want it mas makapal, you can use piping bag to do that. Probably I'll use one in my second disc. I'm going to use piping bag for my buttercream para easy yung application ko. For beginners, kinakailangan i-peel out mo yung plastic para hindi messy. And just snip. Okay, then this is our first disc, and then I have put already the buttercream, and then I'll get my second disc over here. Yeah, there, and I put it in here. So it's just stacking your marang wafer, and you have to close your container to keep the crispiness of your wafer. Okay, so you can start here. Kailan this is makapal, no? Malaki yung butas na nagawa ko. But anyway, you can pipe naman. So just do that. I think this is makapal. Baka hindi magkasya buttercream natin. So this is just using one recipe of our buttercream, and I'll try to try my best to make it enough, no? Kasha for yeah. And then you just, diba, mas easier siya. So there. I just remove some kasi I think it's too much, it's too kapal. So there, diba? Mas easier with the use of your piping bag, and it's easier to smoothen your buttercream. And then we will just continue doing this for the rest of the 5 discs that we have created, and then we will see later on. We will do the crumb coating. Okay? So we are on the last disc. So instead of paharap, so I'm going to turn it around. Para flat talaga siya. Wala yung parang tumaas na side, diba? So, if you have to press it as well. Para mag-stick lang siya dun sa ibang disc natin dahil sa buttercream, no? So, ngayon, I'm going to just This is the final coat na. So, sana magkasya yung aking isang recipe ng buttercream. So, we'll make do with what's left. Hihilain na lang natin yung ibang buttercream. Yan. So, there. And then, you just smoothen it. Oh, sorry. Just smoothen this one. Minsan kasi masyadong mabigat ang kamay ko. Smoothen. Okay. And then, kasi don't worry about smoothing the entire thing talaga as it's super smooth or, you know, yung iba sharp. No need for that one. Kasi, we will be putting the kasoy all over the SANSRIVAL, the cake, no? This is meringue cake. So, for this side naman, so, ito, excess na ito, iikot lang muna natin. Here. See, you still have a lot of buttercream pala. So, just use your spatula to scrape everything. Ayan. Okay? So, ang kagandahan ng meron tayong baking pan na ginamit, eksakto yung size ng ating wafer. Hindi tayo mamumroblema na merong bako-bako simply because it's the same size, diba? Following the same size. So there, just keep on turning this around, and then we will make use of all the buttercream left. Ayan. Busin lang natin yung buttercream. So, tama-tama ang isang recipe ng buttercream natin. So, you can also put the buttercream on the side like this. No? So, maganda pagka meron tayong piping bag kasi madali siyang i-apply. So, there. Tapos, ganun mo lang siya. So, kung halimbawa gusto mo mas maliit yung butas ng piping bag mo, fine. Okay, para mas konti ang lumalabas. So, ito, inubos ko na lang lahat ng buttercream ko there. I use up all my buttercream. So, iikutin natin ito para medyo kuminis siya. So, just cover this well with your buttercream. And then, we clean up. Okay. Kinakailangan hindi makita yung wafer natin kasi hindi magsistick yung ating coating na nuts if it's kalbo kagaya nito. Okay, so just turn it around, keep on turning it around, and feel everything hanggang sa mas smoothen natin siya. Ikat-ikat lang. There you go. So, yung kasoy natin, the cashew nuts, this has been roasted at 350 degrees for about 8 to 10 minutes. Ganun. So, wag lang masunog para mabango siya. Just press it. Mamaya, lilinisin lang natin yan. Maganda rin sana kung exact size yung cake board natin para diretso wala nang ganito. But I don't have a 7-inch board. At para diretso na siya serve, so I use 10-inch. So just cover your cake, your SANSRIVAL with hindi pala tama itong umusog pala to, no? Hindi ko napansin yung cake natin. So, there. And then, we just drizzle the top. So, huwag kayong gagamit ng nuts na hindi roasted kasi hindi masarap yun. At saka, hindi lumalabas yung sarap ng nuts kapag hindi siya roasted. There. Now, you can use here pistachio. Diba may gumagawa din ng mga pistachio. Actually, you can do different flavors for the SANSRIVAL. So, if you look at it there, lahat ng sides na nakikita nyo pa ang buttercream. So, just press nuts into that. And then, I'll clean this up. And then, we'll come back again. Naurong yung cake ko dito. Hindi ko napansin. Anyway. So, there. So, we will present this one and I will try to slice it. But, the storage pala nito is dapat ito nasa freezer. Okay? Dapat nasa freezer siya. So, I'll just clean the sides and then we will come back. So, okay. So, ayan na yung ating cashew nut SANSRIVAL. Happy Mother's Day sa ating lahat. So, enjoy the day. Have fun. Don't work too much. Today is our day. Happy Mother's Day.